Data types and functions. Requirements. Create a new database model with following components. Create a new schema. 0.2 marks. Add table named movie. 0.2 marks. Add 2 fields or attributes and save the model. 0.2 marks. Do forward engineering, create the database. 0.4 marks. Steps. Start MySQL Workbench and complete the following steps for Lab 1. On the home screen, click the Models view from the sidebar and then click plus next to Models. Alternatively, you can click File and then New Model from the menu. A model can contain multiple schemas. Note that when you create a new model, it contains the MyDB schema by default. You can change the name of this default schema as needed, or you can delete it. Click the plus button on the right side of the Physical Schemas toolbar to add a new schema. The default schema name is new_schema1, which you can now change to DVD_collection by modifying its name field. Double-click Add Table in the Physical Schemas section. This automatically loads the table editor with the default name Table 1. Edit the name field to change the name from Table 1 to Movies. Next, add columns to your table. Double-click a column name cell and the first field defaults to Movies ID because, by default, MySQL Workbench appends ID to the table. Change Movies ID to Movie_ID and keep the data type as INT, and also select the checkboxes PK, primary key, NN, not null, and AI, auto_increment. Add 2 additional columns described in the following table. Column name, movie_title. Data type, varchar, 45. Properties, NN. And column name, release_date. Data type, date. Properties, none. EER diagram. For a visual representation, EER diagram, of this schema, select Model and then create Diagram from Catalog Objects to create the EER diagram for the model. The next figure shows the new tab titled EER diagram, which displays diagram representation of the movies table and columns. In the table editor, change the name of the column movie_title to title. Note that the EER diagram is automatically updated to reflect this change. Save the model by choosing File and then Save Model from the menu, or click the Save Model to Current File icon on the menu toolbar. For this tutorial, type home_media and then click Save. Forward engineer. Now forward engineer your model to the live MySQL server as follows. Select Database and then Forward Engineer from the menu to open the Forward Engineer to Database wizard. The Connection Options step selects the MySQL connection and optionally sets additional options for the selected MySQL connection. Make any necessary connection changes and then click Next. Select Database and then Forward Engineer from the menu to open the Forward Engineer to Database wizard. You can ignore these options and click Next. Select an object to export to the live MySQL server. In this case, there is only one table, dvd_collection.movie. Select the Export MySQL Table Objects checkbox and then click Next. The Review SQL Script step displays the SQL script that will be executed on the live server to create your schema. Review the script to make sure that you understand the operations that will be carried out. Click Next to execute the forward engineering process. The new DVD_collection database is now present on the MySQL server. Confirm this by opening the MySQL connection and viewing the schema list, or by executing Show Databases from the MySQL command line client. Click the Save Model to Current File icon on the menu toolbar to save the model. Please submit all the screenshots you took during this exercise in the correct order. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one. Good luck!